Today we are discuss the enantiomer in molecule. So first of the we have to say the molecule have must be chiral. Then after we are saying the molecule gives mirror image. Then after we are saying non-superimposable the molecule each other. These three main types we are check. The first of the we are check the molecular chiral. This molecular chiral and this molecular chiral. So first of the molecular chiral. Then after we are check molecule we are mirror image with each other. The we have check the OH here OH, CH3 group, here hydrogen. Then the aldehyde group, NH2. So it is mirror image. So mirror image present. Then after we are check the non-superimposable each other. So this molecule have represent this here. So hydrogen OH, hydrogen methyl, and here the OH group hydrogen, methyl group hydrogen. So the both molecules are non-superimposable each other. So we are easily called the both molecular enantiomer because the mirror image present and non-superimposable each other. So we are check the enantiomer હોય તો આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ કે the compound A and B both compound are mirror image. So first of the mirror image we complete the non-superimposable each other. The compound A and B non-superimposable. That while we are the RS nomenclature, this compound S but R and it is also opposite the R. That while R but S. Here the S but R and that while એવી જ રીતના અહીંયા S but R. આમાં S છે, અહીંયા R છે, અહીંયા R છે, અહીંયા S છે. તો આ એકબીજાના ઓપોઝિટ છે. તો એના હિસાબે હંમેશા કમ્પાઉન્ડની કોન્ફિગ્યુરેશન એકબીજાથી વિરુદ્ધ હોય છે એ આપણે જાણીએ છીએ. That while the conclusion mirror image present, non-superimposable compound each other and opposite configuration of R and S. That while these both molecules are enantiomer. Thank you.